Do you know what physics is? Physics is the science that explains how the universe works, from tiniest particles to the greatness vastness of galaxies. It helps us understand motion, forces, and energy, and the things move the way they do. It powers inventions, guides engineers, and makes modern life possible. So here's an example by dropping this folder. Did you know that the gravity of the moon is bigger than the gravity of the earth? It's because the gravity of the moon has much less mass than the gravity on earth. So whether you are curious about how ball bounces or how stars are born, physics gives us all the answers. Welcome to the world of physics.
Hi everyone, today we will learn about measurements and converting units. Imagine, you measure the water level inside a bottle using a ruler, and it is 2 inches high. But maybe you want to know how many centimeters that is. Since 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters, multiply 2 by 2.54 centimeters. And the result is 5.08 centimeters. So, the water level is 2 inches or 5.08 centimeters high. And that's how measurements and conversion help us understand things better. And now, it's trivia time! Did you know the inch to centimeters conversion is so precise that scientists and engineers use it globally for accurate measurements? So this standard was officially agreed upon in 1959 by the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand to make unit conversion consistent worldwide.
Kinematics is the branch of physics that describes motion without worrying about causes it. It focuses on how objects move by looking at distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration. Whether it's a motorcycle speeding down the road. Kinematic helps us to predict where an object is and how fast it's going any moment. What is different between speed and velocity? Speed has magnitude only, while velocity is speed and direction.
Everything around us moves because of forces. A force is simply a push or a pull. When you kick a ball, you apply force and it starts to move. This is motion. The stronger the force, the faster an object can spin. But forces can slow things down, like friction between your shoes and the ground. Did you know friction is the force that slows things down? Like when a rolling ball eventually stops on the floor.
Heat and temperature may sound the same, but they're actually different. Heat is the energy that moves from a hotter object to a colder one. It's what you feel when you hold a mug or stand under the sun. While temperature, on the other hand, measures how hot or cold object is. It tells us how fast the particles inside an object are moving. Faster movements means higher temperature. So remember, heat is the energy of motion, while temperature measures of that motion. Did you know the possible coldest temperature is negative 275 degrees Celsius? At this point, particles are stopped moving completely.